Hey nieces and nephews, alright, we're back with how to barbecue our food pantry chicken. You know those whole chickens you get, the rotisserie ones, but they're not cooked? You gotta rotisserie them or put them in the oven and they're frozen. Well, I've let mine thaw out and I'm gonna show you. I've marinated it overnight in lemon pepper seasoning, and what I've done to it is called spatchcocking, which is you split it open, butterfly it out, and that's the best way to barbecue it. Check it out. See how the chicken is all spread out like that? It's marinated overnight. Now, we're going to put it on the coals and barbecue it, but the coals are going to be on one side. I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, all I used was salt-free. Oh, wrong one. Not just showed them the wrong one. All I used was a lemon pepper seasoning, salt-free. Okay? Now, once you put this on the grill, you're gonna douse this halfway through, when it's halfway done, with some Italian seasoning. Okay, let's go outside and get started on the barbecue. Alright, you see how I put the coals to one side of the grill? When you're doing this type of cooking, you have to have indirect heat. That will make the best grilled chicken. I'm telling you now. Okay, I'm gonna let this fire catch, and then we're gonna put our meat on the grill. Hello, Nina. Now, for those boneless, skinless chicken thighs I got at the food pantry, we're just going to take a simple no salt barbecue seasoning, sprinkle it over heavy, at least 2 tablespoons, okay? We're going to mix the chicken around and get it all good and seasoned and put it on the indirect fire on the grill as well, okay? Get this all done around. So you see how I'm just doing that? Just mix it around. I'm going to let it marinate while the fire is getting ready. So that'll take at least about 15 minutes right there. So this will be good and seasoned by the time it hits the grill. All right. As you see, I have put the entire chicken spread out on the grill, but on the opposite side of where the fire is. Now I'm going to put the top on and let it smoke. All right, nieces and nephews, look how that chicken came out. Oh, that is so good. Oh, hold that, yeah. Let me get this other chicken off of here. Don't kill the chicken again. Alright, let's go inside and see what we can do. Nieces and nephews, look how the lemon pepper chicken came out. You see how it glazed over the top of that? That looks so nice. And this is the regular barbecue chicken. It is so good. Now over here we got our barbecue sauce that we made.
Doesn't it look delicious?
That's going to go on the barbecue chicken. And we got a side of beans, and I am making some mashed potatoes. Instant, but I'll show you my recipe for my mashed potatoes in a minute.
Also, my Michael is making us some chili mole.
Yeah, Uncle Michael. Yeah.
It's delicious.
Now, what I want you guys to do is like, comment,
and subscribe.
All right, remember, we're trying to get 5,000 subscribers. And as you see, Jay is back. School is out. Oh, God help us all. Anyway.
What was that? Ah!
Like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Also, write me at UncleChrisTheFoodPantryChef.com, okay? All right. Big love from Uncle Chris.
Also, did you say that school's out?